you wondering why your Airbnb listings aren't getting any bookings or not getting as many reservations as you had hoped? It's because your Airbnb listing pictures are terrible. Your pictures get ignored and not clicked on because you're making one of these very common photography mistakes. Can you guess which mistake I'm going to cover next? Stick around to the end to see how to fix it or how to avoid it when reshooting your space.
The most obvious mistake that these actual Airbnb listings are making is that they are crooked. We have to tilt our head to view them better. The furniture is leaning like it's the final scene of the Titanic. The horizon is slanted, as though we've had a few too many. No matter how we look at these images, with a slant to the left or right, it's obvious that these photographs were taken by an amateur. Not that being an amateur photographer is a terrible thing, but what is really unfortunate is that an Airbnb host in each of these listings has started a short-term rental business and hopes to make some money. Question: would you spend a lot of money to stay at places like these? Or would you take your money to another, better tilted, better photographed place?
Dearest host, while guests are leaving a comment below this video, let's take a moment to fix your crooked Airbnb images quick. Right now, I'm going to explain how to fix an already taken image. If you're looking to retake your Airbnb images, use the timestamps in the description below to skip to that section of the video.
If you are on your phone, open the image in the Gallery app, click Edit. Locate Crop, then Orientation. Move the slider left or right to make vertical lines vertical and horizontal lines horizontal. Better yet, try your luck at Auto Orientation, and voila! You can use any of the free online editing programs, such as Photor, where no login is required, or PicMonkey or BeFunky, where more features are available upon still free sign-in. In Photor, navigate over to Rotate and Straighten on the left-hand side. Moving the level shows you vertical and horizontal lines on top of your image, which should assist you when straightening your listing's picture.
After you're done, download the image in the highest quality and re-upload it to your Airbnb page. When uploading, the latest image will always be stuck in the back of the pack, so don't forget to move it to a more desired location. Want more tips on how to move Airbnb listing images? Check out this helpful video to do just that.
Watch until the end to learn more about advanced editing technique used in real estate photography, which is a game changer when it comes to those straight lines.
If you're looking to retake that tilted picture of your Airbnb space, you don't need a fancy camera or ruler. Use your mobile phone and these quick tips to take straighter photos and don't suck.
On your phone, what you initially want to do is to find a setting or an app that can show you grid lines, which are the 4 lines that are also known as grid and look like this. On my older Samsung phone, I found them by going to Camera app, Settings, Grid lines, located under Useful features. You may find yours by Googling grid lines on your phone name. After your grid lines are visible on your phone when taking a picture, you want to line them up with horizontal lines or vertical lines inside or outside of your listing. Straighten that bed, ceiling, floor, walls, horizon, trees, TV, etc. While using the grid lines will not fix all the tilting problems in your images, they are a great start. See, these listings can definitely benefit from this Airbnb tip.
Another way to shoot a straighter Airbnb image is by holding your phone at a lower angle. It might feel natural to hold it higher, but for your listing's perspective to appear more natural, about doorknob height is actually ideal.
This way, the distance between the ceiling and the floor appears the most balanced, making your image appear less askew. Taking the picture, check your progress. If it appears imperfectly crooked to the left or to the right, take another picture. Keep shooting until you get the desired effect, which should save you time when editing later. Finally, take plenty of pictures from different angles. Sometimes rooms look better shot straight on, where the phone is parallel to the wall. Sometimes you have to shoot into the corner, such as these examples, which helps to show the depth of the space.
Hey, you're still here. Good for you. So about that more advanced editing thing that should also help you fix your crooked images. It's called lens correction, and unlike tilt-shift camera lens, which takes care of distortion pre-editing, lens correction in post-processing can fix your distorted lines with a few clicks.
Basically, each focal distance we use creates a different perspective in camera The editing software needs to know which focal distance, aka lens, you used in order for it to do its magic and automatically adjust all your tilted lines. In the Lightroom app, go to Optics, enable lens correction, and select your phone's or camera's model used. And just like that, your newest Airbnb listing looks perfect.
No, not quite. This image still needs some work. To see how I fix this common Airbnb pictures mistake, just like in this photograph, keep watching and keep learning.